Welcome to Share and Tell. Today I am going to share about pasta varieties. Pasta is a versatile and popular staple in Italian cuisine, enjoyed worldwide for its variety and adaptability in cooking. Pasta is a good source of carbohydrates, which provide energy. Pasta can be divided into two main categories, fresh and dried. Fresh pasta is softer and has a more delicate texture. Dried pasta is more commonly used for long-term storage and versatility in cooking. It is made primarily from two ingredients, wheat and water, though some types include eggs or other flavorings. Wheat, typically durum wheat or semolina, is the primary ingredient used to create the dough. Water is used to combine with the wheat to form the dough. In some cases, eggs or other ingredients such as spinach, tomato, or squid ink are added to provide additional flavor or color. Pasta is typically boiled in salted water and then served with various sauces such as marinara, alfredo, pesto, or creamy sauces. It can also be baked in dishes like lasagna or combined with proteins and vegetables in hearty stews and salads. Pasta comes in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and textures, each suited to different types of sauces and recipes. The number of pasta types seems almost infinite, but based on its shape and uses, it is classified into four major types. 1. Long pasta. 2. Short pasta. 3. Stuffed pasta. 4. Specialty or regional pasta. First, let's take a look at long pasta. Spaghetti thin, long strands. Spaghetti is commonly paired with a variety of sauces, such as tomato-based marinara, meat sauces like bolognese, or even simple garlic and olive oil. It is often topped with grated cheese, such as Parmesan. Fettuccine, flat, wide ribbons. The name fettuccine means little ribbons in Italian, reflecting its shape. It is broader than spaghetti, but narrower than lasagna sheets. Fettuccine's flat shape makes it ideal for thicker, heavier sauces, as it holds them well. It's a classic and beloved pasta choice in Italian cuisine. Linguine, similar to spaghetti, but flatter. Linguine is a type of pasta that originated in Italy, specifically from the Liguria region. The name linguine means little tongues in Italian, describing its shape. Linguine is slightly wider and flatter than spaghetti, but not as broad as fettuccine. Its delicate shape works well with both light and creamy sauces, particularly those involving seafood or herbs. It's a versatile and elegant pasta that's popular in Italian cuisine. Tagliatelle, wide, flat ribbons, similar to fettuccine. Tagliatelle is a traditional Italian pasta originating from the Emilia-Romagna and Marche regions of Italy. The name tagliatelle comes from the Italian word tagliare, meaning to cut. It is slightly wider than fettuccine, but thinner than pappardelle. Its robust texture and width make it ideal for rich, chunky sauces, especially meat-based or creamy ones. Capellini, very thin, angel hair pasta. Capellini, also known as angel hair pasta, is a very thin type of Italian pasta. The name capellini means little hairs in Italian, highlighting its delicate and fine structure. Due to its delicate structure, capellini pairs best with light sauces, such as olive oil-based sauces, broth or light tomato sauces, creamy sauces, but not overly thick or heavy. Bucatini, hollow pasta similar to spaghetti, but thicker. Bucatini is a type of Italian pasta that is similar to spaghetti, but with one key difference: it has a hollow center. The name bucatini comes from the Italian word buco, meaning hole, referring to the tubular shape of the pasta. The hollow center allows sauces to coat both the outside and inside of the pasta, creating a more flavorful bite. Its thickness gives it a chewy texture that pairs well with hearty, robust sauces. Vermicelli, thinner than spaghetti, often used in soups or Asian dishes. It is a type of pasta that originated in Italy and is known for its thin, long strands. The name vermicelli means little worms in Italian, describing its slender and slightly thicker than capellini's shape. Used in soups like minestrone, where its thinness complements the broth. Semolina vermicelli, called Savoian, is used in sweet dishes like kheer, a dessert pudding, or savory dishes like upma, a spiced breakfast dish. Fagottini, folded, ribbon-like pasta similar to tagliatelle. Fagottini is a type of Italian stuffed pasta whose name translates to little bundles or small packages in Italian. It is known for its distinctive shape, which resembles a small pouch or bundle tied at the top, often reminiscent of a sack or flower. Unlike ravioli or tortellini, which are flat or ring-shaped, fagottini is uniquely tied or pinched to create a pouch-like appearance. And the next one we're going to see is about short pasta. Penne cylindrical pasta, often with ridges or smooth. Penne is a popular type of Italian pasta characterized by its tubular shape and diagonally cut ends, which resemble a quill or pen tip, hence the name penne, derived from the Italian word for pen. Penne pairs well with almost any sauce, whether it's chunky, creamy, or tomato-based. Fusilli, spiral or corkscrew-shaped pasta. Fusilli is a short, twisted, or spiral-shaped pasta that originated in Italy. The name fusilli comes from the Italian word fuso, which means spindle. Works well with both creamy and tomato-based sauces, as well as in cold pasta salads or baked dishes. Fusilli is loved for its playful and satisfying shape, making it a popular choice in both casual and gourmet Italian cuisine. Rigatoni, large, ridged pasta tubes. Rigatoni is a type of large, ridged pasta that originated in Italy. The name rigatoni comes from the Italian word rigare, meaning to line or to furrow, referring to its grooved surface. Ideal for dishes with rich, meaty, or vegetable-based sauces, but also works well in baked pasta recipes. Ziti, smooth, cylindrical pasta similar to penne but without ridges. Ziti is a type of pasta that originated in Italy. It is a short, cylindrical pasta with smooth or ridged surfaces, and it is often associated with southern Italian cuisine. Ziti is a versatile pasta, making it a staple in both simple weeknight meals and more elaborate baked pasta dishes. Its ability to hold sauces well makes it a favorite in comforting Italian-American cuisine. Cavatappi, corkscrew-shaped pasta, larger than fusilli. Cavatappi is a type of pasta known for its unique spiral shape that resembles a curly or corkscrew-like tube. The name cavatappi comes from the Italian word cavare, meaning to hollow out, and tappi, meaning corks, reflecting its corkscrew shape. Cavatappi's unique shape and texture make it a favorite in pasta dishes, particularly those where robust sauces are involved. Orecchiette, small, round pasta shaped like little ears. Orecchiette is a traditional pasta shape from the Puglia region of southern Italy. The name orecchiette translates to little ears in Italian, which perfectly describes its unique, round, and slightly concave shape. Unlike cylindrical or spiral pastas, orecchiette's concave shape allows for better absorption of sauces and toppings. Its distinctive shape and rich culinary history make it a beloved pasta around the world. Gemelli, twisted strands of pasta resembling small ropes. Gemelli is a short, twisted pasta shape that originated in Italy. The name gemelli means twins in Italian, referring to its two strands that spiral around each other, creating a corkscrew-like shape. Works well with both light, fresh sauces and hearty, rich sauces, offering a good balance for different types of pasta dishes. Conchiglie, shell-shaped pasta, available in small or large sizes. Conchiglie is an Italian pasta shape that translates to shells in English. Its name reflects its distinctive, curved shape that resembles the shape of a shell, giving it a playful and fun appearance. The curved, shell-like shape allows sauces to cling to its interior, enhancing flavor with each bite. Great for both hot and cold pasta dishes, as well as baked casseroles. Next one is about stuffed pasta. Ravioli, square or round pasta pockets filled with meat, cheese, or vegetables and sweet fillings like fruit or chocolate. Ravioli is a type of stuffed Italian pasta. It consists of two thin layers of pasta dough. Ravioli is a versatile and popular pasta, offering a unique way to enjoy a variety of fillings in a single bite, making it a favorite in both Italian and international cuisines. Tortellini, small, ring-shaped pasta, typically filled with meat or cheese. Tortellini is a small, ring-shaped stuffed pasta that originated in the Emilia-Romagna region of Italy, specifically in and around Bologna. Its distinctive shape resembles a small belly button or a navel, which is reflected in its Italian name, tortellino, meaning little belly button. Small, circular pasta filled with a variety of ingredients and typically folded into a ring shape. Cannelloni, large tube pasta often stuffed and baked. Cannelloni is a large, cylindrical pasta tube, traditionally filled with a variety of savory or sweet ingredients and baked in a sauce. The name cannelloni comes from the Italian word canna, meaning large reed or tube. Its cylindrical shape allows for an easy layering of sauces and fillings, creating a warm, hearty baked dish. Manicotti, similar to cannelloni, large tubular pasta filled with various ingredients. Manicotti is a type of Italian-American pasta, similar to cannelloni, but slightly larger and often ridged on the exterior. It is typically used in baked pasta dishes, filled with various savory or sweet ingredients, and served with a sauce. Baked manicotti creates a warm, comforting dish perfect for family meals or entertaining. And the last one is about specialty or regional pasta. Lasagna, wide, flat pasta sheets layered in baked dishes. Lasagna is a classic Italian dish known for its layered structure, consisting of pasta sheets, flavorful fillings, and sauces, typically baked to perfection. Its layers create a filling and satisfying meal. A hearty meat-based sauce with a touch of wine and vegetables. Creamy white sauce that adds smoothness and richness. Pappardelle, wide, flat ribbons often used in rustic Italian dishes. Pappardelle is a type of broad, flat pasta that originated in Tuscany, Italy. Its name comes from the Italian verb pappare, meaning to gobble up or devour, reflecting its wide, hearty nature designed to be paired with rich sauces. Its wide ribbons pair well with hearty, chunky sauces that can be absorbed by the broad surface. The thickness of pappardelle enhances its ability to hold rich, creamy, or meaty sauces. Trophy, thin, twisted pasta originating from Liguria. Trophy is a traditional Ligurian pasta shape from the Liguria region of Italy. It is small, twisted, and often paired with simple yet flavorful sauces, making it a beloved staple in regional cuisine. Small, short, and twisted strands of pasta, about 1 to 2 inches long. Trophy has deep roots in Ligurian cuisine, where it is often served at local gatherings and festivals. Cavatelli, short, shell-like pasta with ridges. Cavatelli is a traditional Italian pasta shape that originated in southern Italy, particularly in regions like Puglia and Campania. The name cavatelli translates to little hollows in Italian, referring to its distinctive shape that holds and captures sauces beautifully. Cavatelli is cherished for its rustic charm, ability to hold onto bold flavors, and its role in celebrating traditional Italian pasta-making techniques. Fiorelli, small, flower-shaped pasta. Fiorelli is a lesser-known Italian pasta shape, though it shares similarities with other flower-shaped pasta like farfalle or orecchiette. The name Fiorelli translates to little flowers in Italian, reflecting its delicate, petal-like shape. Fiorelli works well in cold pasta salads, where the shape holds onto vinaigrettes or light dressings. Acini di pepe, tiny, round pasta balls used in soups or salads. Acini di pepe is a small, round, and slightly chewy pasta shape, resembling tiny peppercorns or seeds. Its name translates to grains of pepper in Italian, which reflects its small size and round shape. Commonly used in soups, such as minestrone or broths, where the small size adds a nice texture, and pasta salads due to its ability to absorb dressings and flavors. These are just a few examples, and there are many more variations of pasta. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.